Hi students, today's our topic is isolation, identification and analysis of rutin. Rutin is a bioflavonoid. Flavonoids are nothing but these are composed with the polyphenolic groups with the 15 number carbon skeleton, right. So, it is mainly present as a secondary metabolite in the plants. So, the biological source is the biological source of the rutin is it is a bioflavonoid which is mainly obtained from the various citrus fruits which are belongs to the family of Rutaceae, and commercially it also extracted from the Phagopyrum esculentum, so which belongs to the family of Polygonaceae. So, this is the Phagopyrum esculentum plant. So, this is the chemical structure of the rutin bioflavonoid. So, with the polyphenolic compounds, right. Coming to the isolation of the rutin. So, the isolation of the rutin mainly involves the first priorly extract with the using of Soxhlate extractor. So, take the citrus fruit powder or Phagopyrum esculentum leaf powder in the Soxhlate extractor, and it is get extracted with the help of ethanol for 12 hours. Next, after completion of the extraction process, you go for the filtration process. So, second step is filtration process. After filtration, you are getting the filtrate. To the filtrate, add 25 ml of water. Add 25 ml of water, and it is treated with the petroleum ether to remove any traces present in the complete extract this extract, and transfer into the mixture of which consisting of the petroleum ether as well as the filtrate containing water. So, it is transferred into the separating funnel and separate the petroleum ether to remove the traces. Next, so the aqueous portion, so that is collected and it is kept in cold for 72 hours. Next, so the after cooling process at the cold temperature, so you can getting the yellow color precipitate at the bottom. So, you separate the yellow color precipitate. Next, that yellow color precipitate you are obtained, so that is dissolved with the help of hot methanol. So, by adding the hot methanol, so you are dissolve the yellow color precipitate and go for the filtration process. You are getting the filtrate, so that is the filtrate is get evaporated to the drainage. So, finally, you are getting the yellow color powder of rutin. So, the yellow color powder which contains the rutin. So, this is the isolation of the rutin. Next, coming to the identification tests. The identification test, first identification test is Shinoda test. So, according to this test, you take the sample. To this sample, it is treated with the 3 ml of ethanol and few drops of sulfuric acid and 0.5 grams of magnesium. It will gives the pink color which indicates the presence of flavonoids. So, this is the identification test for the flavonoid. The test name is called as Shinoda test. The second test is to the sample, so that is treated with the lead acetate solution which will gives the yellow color precipitate. So, that indicates the presence of flavonoids. In another test, third test, so the sample is treated with the ferric chloride solution which will gives the dark green color. So, that is also indicates the presence of flavonoids. Next, coming to the analytical part, so the analysis of the rutin. So, mainly it is analyzed by the with the help of thin layer chromatography as shown in the figure. So, the thin layer chromatography is made up of silica gel. So, the stationary phase is made up of silica gel G, and the mobile phase is consisting of the 50:30:10:10 ratios of the ethyl acetate, butanol, formic acid and water. So, it acts as this mixture in this ratio, it acts as a mobile phase. Next, after completion or developing the thin layer chromatography, you are using the spraying agent. So that spraying agent is composed with the anise aldehyde with the sulfuric acid reagent. It acts as a spraying agent. So this is about the analysis procedure for the routine.